Hello, it's me again for the following of our new AI project, AI on the Edge with Paul. So, good cup of coffee, and we will install our new Raspberry Pi here. So I finally got a board after a few problems. This board came with a passive, very little tiny passive dissipator that I had to remove. So if you are in the same case, maybe you have to remove a dissipator, you can use dental floss to remove it. It allows you to sew in a transversal way the glue instead of pulling simply the dissipator, which would damage the board, of course. So I had to order separately a active radiator, active cooler, this one, because here it was not possible to get the complete kit at a reasonable price. So we try to manage this another way. Keep cool. This one came with a bunch of little stickers, pads here, so we have to glue it so it matches the cooler here in the same places, so just like usual. Yep. With my big fingers here. Next should be this one. Next little one here. That's a psychomotricity test here. Must be this one, yes. Here. This one, medium one here. Another medium one. Here. And the final, what is left? Is it all stuck? Yes, seems to be it. Now we can remove. So surgical. Well, is it possible to be so complicated here? That is high technology. Can you believe it? what an engineer has to do. Of course, always keep cool. That's a cooler after all. No? Yeah. It's time consuming. At least we don't think about other problems. That's it, this one. Two left. This one. And finally this one. Now you know it's easier to remove both faces before putting it on the board, or in my case. Okay, that's it. And now we can, before we put the cooler on, you see here there is a little cap on the power plug. So you can remove here. That's it. And now we can put it on here. Must be this one. Okay, with the red one towards the inside of the board. Yep. And then, whoa, this way. I should be able to stick it here and here. Here we are. So that was it. There's no need to put it deeper. Okay, so if we plug it in, oh, there's no screen, etc. Yet. Where's the? It's this one here. Yes. Okay. Green light. And what is it here? Oh yes, it's starting. Okay, the fan is starting. It was seems to be intermittent. Okay, next step will be to plug the screen. So maybe with the Wi-Fi. It's starting. Okay, thank you for watching. It's okay.